Hello, I'm Bob Ford. I'm the National Coordinator for Partners in Flight in the United States, and I'm honored today to be able to present our Partners in Flight Awards for 2019. Partners in Flight celebrates its 30th anniversary this year. Our landbird conservation mission has remained unchanged. We strive to keep common birds common and help species at risk through voluntary partnerships before those species become threatened or endangered. It's through the Partners in Flight Awards that we have recognized outstanding individuals and groups for their exceptional contributions to the field of landbird conservation since 1996. The 2019 awards are presented here at NAOC and in conjunction with the 30th anniversary of Partners in Flight. The awards are being sponsored by the U.S. Forest Service. We thank the Forest Service for their continued efforts in bird conservation as well as their sponsorship of these awards. Our award categories include leadership, investigations, public awareness, stewardship, and the David N. Pashley Lifetime Achievement Award. Today we present 7 awards in 4 of these categories. First, Individual Partners in Flight Leadership Awards. Andrew Couturier in Canada is the Senior Director of Landscape Science and Conservation with Birds Canada, and has been selected to receive a Partners in Flight Leadership Award. Andrew has been a major player for over 2 decades in bird conservation in Canada and North America. His strongest role, delivered primarily through partnership projects, has been to ensure and enable visualization of geospatial data in maps and other important products, and to make science and conservation understandable to the public, to the scientific community, and to government policy and decision makers, and many others. Andrew's behind-the-scenes contributions have included mapping for all of the Partners in Flight planning documents, importantly including the pivotal Saving Our Shared Birds, Partners in Flight's tri-national vision for land bird conservation. Andrew, congratulations and thank you. Our next award is for Yolanda León in the Dominican Republic, the board president of Grupo Jaragua. She has been selected to receive a Partners in Flight Leadership Award for her groundbreaking work to conserve forest habitats for vulnerable migrant and resident birds, as well as overall biological diversity in southwestern Dominican Republic, particularly in the forests of Sierra de Bajaruco National Park. Through scientific investigation, advocacy, outreach to local communities, strategic planning, and on-the-ground conservation efforts, Yolanda has significantly contributed to the conservation of priority landbirds, including Bicknell's thrush and many other species, which are found in this ecologically critical and highly vulnerable region. Congratulations, Yolanda, and thank you. David Mehlman in the United States has been selected to receive a Partners in Flight Leadership Award. David led the Nature Conservancy's migratory bird program for over 15 years, for which he provided planning, science, and integration of Partners in Flight priorities to inform TNC's conservation efforts across the hemisphere, and managed projects in the U.S., Latin America, and the Caribbean. His efforts included working with partners to protect grassland habitat in northern Mexico for priority species like Baird sparrow, montane tropical oak forest in Colombia and Peru for the cerulean warbler, and habitat for Kirtland's warbler in the Bahamas and Bicknell's thrush in the Dominican Republic. Congratulations, Dave, and thank you. Our next individual award goes to Marvin Tórrez Gutiérrez in Nicaragua. He has been selected to receive the Partners in Flight Leadership Award for his 20 years of dedication to the conservation of wild birds. From leading and training others at MOSI program, the Monitoring Overwinter Survival Banding Stations, to his position as director at the Biological Station Juan Roberto Zaruch at the Universidad Centroamericana, Marvin has been a leader and catalyst in promoting ornithology, ecology, and the conservation of biota and natural resources in Nicaragua and throughout Central America. He is also the Nicaraguan Biodiversity Monitoring National Coordinator and is part of a team monitoring the endangered golden-cheeked warbler. Marvin, congratulations and thank you. Next, we have our Individual Partners in Flight Investigations Award. This year, the award is for Sarahy Contreras in Mexico. She is professor and researcher at the University of Guadalajara and has been selected to receive an Individual Partners in Flight Investigations Award. Her work and accomplishments have spanned the past 25 years, and she was among the Mexican biologists who were involved in the early days of U.S.-Mexico collaborations to study the non-breeding sites of migratory birds, when then she was a student of Eduardo Santana's. The results of her projects have been applied to the conservation, management, and restoration of bird habitats in subtropical temperate mountain forests, especially for hummingbirds and passerines in western Mexico. She's a firm believer in the value of education and outreach and a natural partner. Sarahy, congratulations and thank you. Next, we have Group Partners in Flight Public Awareness Award. The award goes to SetNet Communications in Nicaragua. Adelaida Rivas Sotero is receiving the award for her work and SetNet Communications' work for their effective use of communications and social outreach to help promote biodiversity and environmental conservation, training and empowerment of less advantaged Hispanic women. The efforts of Adelaide and her media company, including to support sustainable population and wise stewardship of migratory birds, are far-reaching throughout Central America and the Caribbean. In Nicaragua, SetNet Communications has provided media coverage for U.S. Forest Service and local NGO long-term biodiversity study of migratory and resident birds. Adelaida and SetNet Communications, congratulations and thank you. The next award is a Group Partners in Flight Award for Stewardship. The award is for Terra Penninsular in Mexico. Cesar Guerrero Avila, the Executive Director, has been selected to receive this award for stewardship. Terra Penninsular is a Mexican nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting the ecosystems and landscapes of the Baja California Peninsula, as well as in Sonora and Sinaloa states, and is a key partner of the Sonoran Joint Venture. Through direct land protection, adaptive management, and community engagement, Terra Penninsular has worked to protect the unique birds and habitats of the region, including for the endangered California gnatcatcher, by working directly with local communities. Terra Penninsular also leads the San Quentin Bird Festival, the largest bird festival in the Baja California Peninsula. Cesar, congratulations and thank you. Partners in Flight thanks all of those who helped make the awards process run smoothly. We thank the awardees for 2019. We encourage you to engage with Partners in Flight through our website, partnersinflight.org, to visit our conservation resource library, our news posts, as well as the awards process. Thank you.